In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple proxies in AdsPower. To get started, open the AdsPower application on your computer. Once you're inside the main interface, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Proxies tab. This is where all proxy management takes place. After that, make sure you're in the List section, since that's the area used for viewing and importing multiple proxy entries. When you're ready, click the blue Add Proxy button in the top toolbar to open the import window. Now it's time to prepare your proxy list correctly. At the top of the import window, choose the proxy protocol type from the drop-down menu. This should match the format of the proxies you plan to import, such as HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5. Selecting the correct protocol is important because it helps AdsPower connect properly and test each proxy accurately. Next, paste your proxy list into the large text box. Each proxy needs to be entered on its own separate line. If your proxies do not require login details, use the format IP followed by port. If your proxies do require authentication, use the format IP, port, username, and password in that exact order. Keeping the formatting clean and consistent will help avoid import errors and save time during testing. Once your list is pasted in and everything looks correct, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to complete the import. After the proxies appear in the list view, check the boxes next to all of the newly added entries. Then click the Check Proxy button at the top of the menu. This will run a batch connection and speed test across all selected proxies at the same time, which is much faster than checking them one by one. When the test finishes, review the status color indicators. Green means the proxy is active and passed the connection test. Red means the proxy is inactive or there may be a credential issue. That's it. You've successfully added and tested multiple proxies in AdsPower.